These are the 3-pack Kasa Smart Wi-Fi light switches. These light switches work with Siri, Alexa, and Google Home. No hub is required. All you need is a Kasa app. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with wire nuts and screws for installation. Here's one of the switches with a wall plate attached. Here on the bottom you can see the reset and restart buttons. On the back there are 4 wires that are color-coded and labeled. To take the wall plate off the switch, pull them apart with a little bit of force. You'll need to do this to expose the holes for the screws. Here is a close-up look of the light switch. The light switch lets you use voice control, use a timer or set a schedule to set your switch to automatically turn on or off while you're home or away. Everything is controlled in the Kasa app. To put the wall plate back onto the switch, simply push in with a little bit of pressure until it clicks. It should stay in place. The box also comes with wire labels. These are just stickers that you can peel off and put onto the wires. There's a start guide with clear instructions and pictures on how to install.